Most people will never make their first dollar with AI. Not because they're not smart enough. Not because they picked the wrong tool. But because of one mistake they make over and over. They keep switching. They try one method for a week, get impatient, jump to the next shiny thing, and end up finishing nothing. Meanwhile, the people actually making money picked one path and followed it all the way through. So today I'm not giving you 20 random ideas. I'm giving you one clear roadmap, 5 steps, in order to go from zero to your first $1,000 with AI. Each step builds on the last, so follow them in sequence. If you've been stuck, this is the video that unsticks you. Let's go. Quick promise before we start. Every step here is something you can act on this week with free tools and no experience. This isn't theory. It's the exact path thousands of beginners are using right now. And one honest warning, so you trust me, this takes real work. Not months of IT, but the first $1,000 comes from doing the steps, not watching videos about them. So if you're ready, here's step 1, and it's the one that decides everything else. Step 1, pick one lane. Just one. This is where almost everyone fails, so pay attention. The fastest way to your first $1,000 is a service, something you do for someone else because you get paid quickly with no audience and no product to build first. And AI just made a handful of these services something a complete beginner can deliver at a professional level. Here are the strongest lanes for 2026. Pick the one that fits you. Writing, blog posts, emails, and product descriptions using AI to draft and you to refine. Design, thumbnails, social graphics, and simple ads with free AI tools. Social media management. Keeping small businesses posting consistently. Chatbot building, simple FAQ bots for local businesses with no-code tools. Or short-form video editing, turning long content into clips for creators. Now, here's the rule that actually matters. Pick one of those and commit to it for 30 days. Not 5. 1. The person who goes deep on a single lane beats the person dabbling in all 5 every single time. Whichever one you just felt drawn to while I listed them. That's your lane. Lock it in and let's build on it. Step 2. Turn that lane into one specific offer. This is what separates people who get clients from people who get ignored. Here's the mistake. Beginners say, I do writing or I do design. That's too vague. IT sounds like everyone else, and it gives a client nothing to say yes to. The fix is to get ridiculously specific about who you help and what exact result you deliver. Don't say, I'm a writer. Say, I write SEO product descriptions for Etsy shops that help them get found. Don't say, I do design. Say, I make scroll-stopping thumbnails for fitness YouTubers. Don't say, I manage social media. Say, I keep local restaurants posting 5 times a week without them lifting a finger. See the difference? A specific offer is easy to understand, easy to refer, and easy to say yes to. And here's where AI helps right now. Open a chatbot and ask it to help you define your niche, list 10 specific client types, and write 3 versions of your offer. In 10 minutes, you'll have something sharper than most freelancers ever bother to create. One lane, one clear offer. Now we go get it in front of people. Step 3. Use AI to deliver so well that clients come back. This is your actual edge. Before AI, delivering great work took years of skill. Now, the right tools let a beginner produce professional results on day 1, as long as you use them right. For writing, tools like Chat Draft and you edit for voice and accuracy. For design, Canva and AI image tools get you from blank page to polished in minutes. For voice, 11 lifts. For research, Perplexity. All free to start. But here's the key, and it's what keeps you from looking like every other AI beginner. Never hand over raw AI output. The AI does the first 90%, the speed. You do the last 10%, the judgment, the polish, the human touch that makes it actually good. That last 10% is why they're paying you and not just using the AI themselves. And on your first few jobs, do one thing that pays off forever, over-deliver. Give a little more than they expected. That's how you turn a $5 gig into a review, a referral, and a repeat client, which is the real engine of your first 1,000. Step 4. Get your first 3 clients. This is the step everyone's afraid of, so let me make it simple and concrete. You don't need 100 clients. You need three. 3 clients at a few $100s each is your first 1,000. So where do you find them? 2 places. First, freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, where people are already searching for exactly your service. Publish 3 versions of your offer so you show up more and respond to requests every single day with a personalized message, not copy-paste. Second, and this one is faster, direct outreach. Pick your niche, say local restaurants, find 10 of them with weak social media, and message the owner. But don't just ask for work. Show them. Create a couple of sample posts for their business first, using AI, and send them saying, I made these for you. Want a full month like this? When they see the work already done, saying yes is easy. Here's the mindset that wins. Expect most to say no or ignore you. That's normal. This is a numbers game. Reach out to 10 people a day, over-deliver for the ones who say yes, and within a few weeks you'll have your first 3. Most beginners who actually do this get their first paid job within days. Step 5. Systematize and raise your prices. This is how the first 1,000 becomes a repeatable thing, not a one-time fluke. Once you've delivered for a few clients, you'll notice you're doing the same steps every time. Turn that into a system, a simple checklist, a set of AI prompts you reuse, a template for each deliverable. This is where AI compounds. Each job gets faster, which means you can take on more clients in the same hours or charge more for the same time. And yes, raise your prices. Beginners undercharge out of fear. After your first few happy clients and reviews, your next quote should be higher. You're not selling hours anymore, you're selling a proven result. The jump from a few $100s to a few thousand a month usually comes not from more clients, but from better clients paying better rates for the same service you've now systematized. The bonus move, once you know which problems your clients keep having, you can package the solution into a digital product, a template, a guide, a prompt pack, and sell it over and over. That's how a service turns into something that earns while you sleep. So there's your roadmap. Step 1, pick one lane. Step 2, make one specific offer. Step 3, use AI to deliver better than expected. Step 4, get your first 3 clients. Step 5, systematize and raise your prices. That's the whole path from zero to your first $1,000. But let me remind you of the thing I opened with, because it's the whole game. Don't switch. The roadmap only works if you walk it all the way. The moment it gets hard, and it will, around step 4, your brain will tell you to go find an easier method. That voice is the reason most people stay at zero. Ignore it. Pick your lane today and take step 1 before you close this video. Because here's the truth. The tools are free, the demand is real, and the only thing between you and your first $1,000 is picking one path and actually finishing it. So pick it and start. If this gave you a clear plan, subscribe. Every week I break down exactly how to use AI to work less and earn more. I'll see you in the next one.